All right, now a big news coming in. Sources are telling India Today that Rhea Chakrabarti has given out a statement and she has seemed to confess today that not just ganja, not just marijuana, there may have likely been other chemical substances that she was using. She's also revealed to the Bureau that on the set of one of Sushant's films, drugs were being consumed. And this means perhaps the Narcotics Bureau now may summon the co-stars and some actors who have worked with Sushant Singh Rajput for the Narcotics Bureau questioning as well. So clearly this is a chain trail going on, and Munish Pandey is in Mumbai tracking all the latest. Munish, this clearly could become more evidence for the Narcotics Bureau. They already have about 8 people in arrest. If Rhea has made this statement really that not just ganja, not just by Sushant Singh Rajput, but there were some chemical substances also being taken and consumed. And does this mean that clearly now an imminent arrest will follow if this confession has come that she was into chemicals? Whether or not this is for her consumption or the late actor is yet to be made clear.
Absolutely, Pooja. And for the Narcotics Control Bureau, this is not a very big fact because they have to make a case against Rhea Chakrabarti, a case where she won't be able to get bail. That is what the NCB is aiming at this point of time. So consuming drug is something where the NCB has to establish clear evidence that the drug was in her possession. But as of now, there is no clear evidence with the Narcotics Control Bureau. There are chats based on which she can be arrested. But apart from that, what NCB is focusing at this point of time is that to frame Rhea Chakrabarti in harboring and facilitating the drugs, because even during the statement, she said that it was her. She was giving drugs to Sushant Singh Rajput because he was asking for it. She has always claimed that she spoke to Souvik Chakrabarti and the other accused in the case because Sushant Singh Rajput was asking for drugs. So at this point of time, what NCB is trying to make is a case against Rhea Chakrabarti for harboring and facilitating, and this is why this is going to be certainly very crucial for the investigation.
This could perhaps be the biggest statement that has come, a certain confession and admission coming in, but will it be enough for an arrest? Will the Narcotics Bureau want to pursue this further? Munish, stay on with me.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.